Have a Coke can up there with a piece of a Sprite can. Blow it. Here you go, Jack. Full metal Beretta M84 cheetah. Sounds very nice. Let's go load it up. Don't be fooled by the container, because this is indeed not Crossman ammo. This is Elite Force .28s. And here we go. Wow. That was bad. That was really bad on my part, man.
By the way, they didn't get any of the action because...
Maybe you should stand a little closer next time.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm glad you guys didn't see that, because that was terrible, crappy shooting on my part. Let's get you closer to the target, and maybe I can do a little bit better.
Which
Stand like
target?
near that brick over there.
Which target are you shooting at?
I'm going to be shooting at the Coke can. Alright, let's see if we can do this a little better this time. Shooting high. There we go. Empty clip.
Perfect.
Alright, you want to try shooting this thing, Jack?
Sure.
Alright, let's go load it up for you.
I'm pretty sure I can do this.
Yeah, probably. You're not the best shooter, as you would say. But yeah, for my convenience, I put the Elite Force .28s in the speed loader bottle. So, let's hand this off to you. Safety's on, I think.
Safety's on.
Alright, get nice and close if you need to. If you want to make it more impressive, hold your fire. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we'll try. Let her rip. Nice. And you're out. Nice job.
I only hit it once.
Only once. Good job. That's my brother, Jack. And that was some good shooting. But again, M84 Beretta cheetah BB pistol. Shooting around 480 FPS with the .28s that I have in it. So, yeah, overall a good pistol. I did pretty well the second time, at least. So, Miss Jackson, Mr.